and all that, that's structural. We're using epoxy on all that stuff when it just absolutely has to bond and be there and be strong. In this case, epoxy, yes. But what I wanted to show you is what I did on the transom here, and you can just see, you know, it's sticking up at the top, and I'll pull this floor up so you can see, because this is tremendous strength for the transom, just tremendous. Let me set this down for a minute. Pull this floor up out of the way. Let me get down here with you. So this transom is plenty strong for an outboard motor. Plenty strong. It's 2-inch thick, high density transom board. It's got probably 3/8 of fiberglass on the back, 3/8 thick all the way across, obviously inside with the 1/4-inch woven. It was strong enough, but I just felt like it needed more. I'm putting a brand new 200 horsepower on here, and by God, I want everything to be right. So what I've done here, I've taken a piece of 3/4-inch Coosa, cut it to size, and you can see the stiff knee I've got fiberglass in place here. This isn't epoxied to the transom board. It's epoxied into the transom board. Before I installed this, I cut it out all the way through. This is 3/4 of an inch thick all the way through, so it was just a hollow. And then on my floor, I did the same thing. I cut another one, and where the stiff knee worked into the bottom, I cut all the way through it. So, you know, from here to the bottom of the boat, nothing. I've attached this to the boat with 1/4-inch heavy woven, epoxied it so it can't move. Same with the bottom, epoxied it to the floor with heavy 1/4-inch woven. I installed my stiff knee. I put all the glass on this first. Then I epoxied a thickened mixture into those voids, pushed the stiff knee into it, and then glassed over top of that. So as far as strengthening the transom, I can't say enough about this. This is great. And then here on the bilge on the floor, it's almost done out. I took a heavy cloth, triaxial weave, and went over everything all the way to the stringers on both sides. And before I put all this floor work in here, I'm going to go through all this and cover it all and paint the bilge, make it nice. I like to keep a clean bilge. Anyway, so how to strengthen your transom. I didn't make the video on when I did that, and I wish it would have. It would have helped a lot of people. This is going to be unbelievable strong. It's just not going anywhere now. Okay, that's where we're at right now.